Hi guys, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Procamptek Waxwood stick 2nd generation. Now you will have seen my reviews of the first one, which was a square stick. This is round. We'll see what else they've done to it and see how it goes. They are okay. The first one was okay, the square one, but I sometimes found it didn't always light. So I like to give a real-time review of it, and we'll see if we can get it lit pretty well. So the Procamptek, you can get online via Amazon or via the Bath Bushcraft store. Hanger 50, production hammer 57 it used to be called, but that's what it is. Now they do other stuff too, like the fire roll and the Firewicks. Firewicks are really good. I have those in all my kits. This retails for about £7 before postage, and then once you add your postage and that to it, it comes in for about a tenner. It's not the cheapest, but let's see what it's like and crack on with it. Personally, I do prefer the Firewicks now, but we'll give this a go. It's just a variation of a waxwood. You can make your own. I have done it before in other videos. We'll maybe give that another go again, but we'll see. So let's try this and see how we get on. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for supporting me as always, guys. Let's crack on and have a little test of this, the Waxwood stick by Procamptek. So here we have it. We're just going to peel off some of this plastic and then get into it. See if you can burn that too, actually. I'd imagine if it's the waxwood stick, should be able to burn it. Maybe not, it does look a bit plasticky. I'll keep hold of that. Don't let your rubbish fly away. So let's do some shavings of this. And we'll see how we get on. I can't smell it, so it must be odourless. It looks slightly different compared to the old waxwood sticks. It looks a lot pinker, actually. If you remember, the square ones were a bit more brown looking. If you want to take a look at that, that's the SA Laser Strike. This is one of my favourite knives. Definitely, I love this thing. I've been using this for quite a while now, but I will do a review of it for you to see. But anyways, let's crack on with this for now. So this can be a bit hit and miss personally, to me. I think sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So let's give it a go. Just use a ferro rod and ceramic striker. Nice little bundle. Now there's different ways to use the ferro rod. Some pull away, some push. So it's entirely up to you how you do it, but it's not about using a ferro rod today. It's about just getting this lit and seeing how we get on. I did actually light there, but there we go. That lit surprisingly better than the old one, so I like that for now. First time testing, actually seemed okay. So that's the Procamptek 2nd generation waxwood stick. Actually burned a lot faster than the old one, so we'll see how it fares. But I just wanted to show you a quick video of that, real time. Like I say, I've not used it before. That's the first time it's lit. Actually lit not bad, that, considering. So there you go. 2nd generation waxwood stick, around about seven quid, and then with postage around about a tenner. You can always give it a go and see how you like it. As always, thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there. Prepper Del out.